Hi, this is Anil and welcome to the video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C programming. So in this tutorial we can learn one more preprocessor directive available, which is called undiv, hash undiv. So this hash undiv is used to undefine any defined macros. And we have learned that we're gonna use the hash define preprocessor directive to define the identifier or the macros, and we're gonna use this hash undiv to undefine the macros that we have defined here. So just to demonstrate that, here I'm just gonna define let's say Anil and let's say 1, and here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the hash if div. So it's gonna be hash if div, if defined Anil. Then we want to compile the code here, so it's gonna be cout and just gonna say hey Anil, and let's add the semicolon. And now this macro is defined. That's why if I run this, you get hey Anil. And now we can use this hash undiv to undefine this defined macro. So I'm gonna use it here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this and paste it after here, and now here I'm just gonna use this hash undiv. So it's gonna be hash undiv Anil. Alright, now till this point this Anil macro or the identifier is defined, and after this line this Anil macro or the identifier is not defined, and that's why I'm just gonna add else part here, because this macro is not defined, and that's why I just gonna use else, and I just gonna say cout and who are you. Alright, now I just gonna build and run this, and now you guys can see we get hey Anil and then who are you. That's because here this Anil macro is defined, and that's why we get hey Anil, and then we have undefined this macro using this hash undiv, and that's why from this line onwards this Anil is not defined, and that's why we get who are you. So this is it guys, this is about the hash undiv preprocessor directive in C++. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like my Facebook page and stay updated with the latest videos that we're gonna make, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.